Yeah, I don't know. You know, the off season in the Pacific Northwest is rough. Days are really cold. The rain is just relentless. You know, if struggling with seasonal depression, it seems regardless, but I don't know if it's that or if riding is the cure. No matter how much you bundle up, you can't seem to keep warm enough to enjoy it. You know, heated gloves, layering up, you end up putting on so much stuff that, it's cumbersome. And then that, in a way, takes away from the enjoyment. If we're lucky, if we're really lucky, it could be camping again in February, but that's a stretch, man. Yeah, I just go, I go months without riding, it seems. There are hardcore people out there that, can ride all year round. I'm just not one of them. Like, there's certain things that, there's boxes I have to check for riding, and freezing wet weather is not one of them. So I don't know. It gets really tough. There's nothing quite like just getting on the bike. It's good for the soul.